Welcome to 7 Days to Master Feng Shui, creating mindfulness for the home, positively changing energy in virtually any space. I'm Natasha Call, owner of Symmetry Interiors, and I have been a Feng Shui practitioner for over 20 years. I am so thrilled that you're taking this course. This means that you would like to improve mindfulness in your spaces, which I can totally respect. And I hope that you get as much out of this course as I have put into this course. This platform is fabulous because it allows the students the freedom to take these courses at their own pace. I've structured my course so that it is spread out through 7 days. That said, because this course and this learning platform are so awesome, you can take this course in as many days or weeks as you need, whatever you decide with your schedule, and it's going to be awesome. The next lecture is going to cover an introduction to Feng Shui. This is a really rewarding design technique that can be complicated. However, we're discussing a less complicated, more practical version of Feng Shui for this course. And this version will create a more mindful home environment that will increase your love and nurturing for your home, as well as other spaces. This technique is really rewarding, so I am super excited to get on with some of the substance. You're really going to recognize a big difference from the practice of Feng Shui.